welcome back to my channel, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're gonna be doing this makeup look, or this Halloween face paint makeup look, whatever you want to call it. And the reason why I'm starting with the makeup look this time is because I forgot to turn on the mic. So you get to see what you're gonna be watching during the video. So this is what I'm doing today. So hope you stay tuned and watch the whole video. Hope you enjoy the video, and let's get into it. Okay, so you can see I completely forgot to turn on the mic for this video. So here is just me putting white paint to mark the shape of the mask that I'm gonna be doing. So I'm just gonna speed this video up so you can see what I was doing. Okay, once the white paint was done, I just used black paint and start outlining the mask that I was doing before. So here again, I forgot to turn on the mic, so this is gonna be just a speed up version of it as well. Here I finally realized that my mic was off, so I turned it on, but when I was editing the video, I had to do some stuff and I forgot to take it away from the fast speed, so I just sound like a squirrel here, but the sound will be up in just a few minutes. Just like that, the mic is back on. Okay, with this same one, we're gonna do the little lines. I think this is meant to be like if it was breaking. You always use this one and put some. I don't know if that made it look better or worse. Okay, now look at my hands. I do need the really red lipstick because she had really red lipstick on. Okay, so this side, it has a really smoky eye. So I'm gonna attempt to do that. I think that's the best I can do, because if not, it ruins the rest of the makeup or the splashes of stuff. Okay, so let me do a little bit of touches on it, and then I'll be right back with the finished look. So give me a second and I'll be right back and show you the creepy finished look. Okay, everyone, this is the finished look. I think this one wasn't as bad. Like, it was easy to make because it was mostly just white, black, and a little bit of red. The splashes were the harder part, but I think it came out pretty good, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the little bell, and leave a like if you liked the video. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.